It's End Tonight show with some football. Two big tournaments are underway. Portugal played Hungary in the Euros on Wednesday. It was a riveting match. Cristiano Ronaldo wrote himself into two record books, one of European football and the other Wall Street. At a pre-match press conference, Ronaldo swapped his Coca-Cola bottle for some water. It wasn't just a PR disaster, it was financial ruin for the company. Here's a report.
Pre-match pressers are mostly uneventful. The action hasn't started yet, so what's there to talk about? It's not like these players can change the economy. Or can they? Enter Cristiano Ronaldo, Portugal's marquee striker. He didn't like what he saw at the press conference. Two bottles of Coca-Cola right next to the mic. Most of us would have popped it and downed some, but not Ronaldo. He removed the Coke and instead went for the water. We know what you're thinking. Another boring moment from a boring press conference. But think again. While Ronaldo was moving bottles, Coca-Cola was bleeding money. $4 billion to be precise. Yes, it was one expensive bottle move. By the time Ronaldo wrapped up, Coke shares dropped from $56.10 to $55.22. Talk about influence. Ronaldo boasts 300 million followers on Instagram and 92 million followers on Twitter. When he speaks, his fans listen. A snub from Ronaldo is a snub from his millions of supporters. Coca-Cola immediately went into damage control. Everybody has their own preferences, they said. Coke may sell 1 billion bottles every day, but they know better than to confront Ronaldo. The Portuguese skipper is known for his rigorous diet regimen, which explains his form even in his late 30s. But Ronaldo didn't always hate Coke. Here you see him in an advertisement from the 2006 World Cup. So this anti-cola crusade seems more recent. By 2020, he was publicly scolding his son for his love of Coke.
I'm hard with him sometimes because he drink Coca-Cola and Fanta sometimes, and I'm fight with him, and when he chips and fries and everything, I don't like it.
Guess it is never too late to change. Coca-Cola is not healthy for your body. It is linked to heart disease, diabetes and blood pressure. Bad enough for us, a nightmare for professional sportsmen. Bottle swapping seems to be catching on at the Euros. Here's French star Paul Pogba moving a bottle of Heineken beer. As a practicing Muslim, the beer didn't really amuse him, though last we checked, Heineken shares are holding strong. The bottle swap is just an indication of how influential celebrities are. One tweet, one gesture, and multinationals are hiding for cover. Much like Elon Musk playing with Bitcoin on Twitter. As they say, with great power comes great responsibility. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.